how to add Instagram feed to Squarespace. Right here, I just logged into my Squarespace account and I've clicked on website, which has loaded up my Squarespace website. So it's going to look like this, and what we want to do is click on edit. And right here, once we hover over any section, you should see an option to add block. If you don't, you will simply click on add section and you will have an empty section for which you will be able to add blocks here. So click on add block and then scroll down until you see integrations and Instagram. So just click on Instagram and it's going to look like this, and this is going to be an example Instagram feed. If we want to connect our own Instagram account, we'll click on the pencil icon here to edit, and you will see this connected accounts, and we can choose an account here and select add an account. Now this will load up a new pop-up page for which we have to grant access to our Instagram here by clicking on allow. And once we have allowed access, then you will be able to set the number of items visible from your Instagram feed like so, and you can also edit the design here as well. And that's basically it. That's how you add Instagram feed to your Squarespace website. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.